Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the theme on Infinix Hot 4DI device. Well, knowing how to change the theme on your device allows you to customize the look and feel to better suit your preferences, improve accessibility, reduce eye strain, and enhance the overall user experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, so in this page, select personalization and then select my theme to see the free theme available on your device. Okay, so the way to change the device theme, simply tap on it and then click apply. Okay, but if you prefer the online theme, select this option and here you will find many kinds of themes. So, select the one you like it the most and then click download to apply it to your device. But FYI, you have to create an Infinix account before to get the online theme. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the theme on Infinix Hot 4DI device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.